Don't put the lid on the ground. It's a multitask. Oh, look at that. You want some more charcoal? Not yet.
Bah, bah.
It's like more steaming.
Good job, Ishram.
Take the...
You want a bit of charcoal on the top now? What about the
Yeah,
bottom?
I think it has a lot of water. Maybe we need...
That's this thing.
Nah, that's sizzling.
How are you going to do the damper now?
No, I made it ready. You just need to get the pot ready.
Smells
Just
so
leave it up
good.
for now, mate. Like from washing them and just the normal veggies. That's perfect. Look at that. That's this thing. I've got a couple. Yeah, I'll bring one. Yeah, hold on.
Smells amazing. Then other chef is there.
Honey, we're
What's
going to
on-
be YouTube.
What's on the menu?
Chorizo chicken hot pot.
Chorizo chicken hot pot.
This is hot pot.
That's a camp oven.
Camp oven.
Camp oven.
Do we get paid for this?
When mom and dad kept saying camp oven, I thought the oven inside the caravan.
No, here. When did you stir in the salt? It's still frozen.
Do we add this to the veggies?
Oh, yeah.
What's this now?
That's a nice view, honey. What have you got?
Chicken and chorizos.
I'll bring you some bread.
In the pot.
Listen to that sizzle.
Tell me if you want more heat.
I will, because I need it to brown.
I know. Okay. If you want it, put it on top of the lid there and you take it off. You don't want it? Is that nice? Okay. Ah, yeah, okay. Yes, sorry. No. Yeah, I know what you mean. Because the chicken also, you know when you fry, you're going to get the juice out.
You put the lid on, please, Dad. Yeah, Ma?
A little bit.
I am.
That's it, that's it. That's it, no more, bud.
I'm not.
It'll go in there.
But I'm going to put it here on the side. Brett, can you tell me roughly 120 degrees you reckon there?
Yeah, good at everything, so.
Brett, what do you reckon? 120 degrees?
Yeah,
120.
220?
More olive oil, Sue? Is it sticking, bub?
No. No, it's not sticking.
Not perfect. Keep going. No, no,
No, it's not ready.
no.
But
Still
don't
raw.
worry, you've got a lot of chicken there, Suze. No, I understand, but I'm saying you've got a
No, it's
lot
got
of
to
meat.
go. It's still a bit raw.
Yeah, but it's cooking, don't worry.
That's it, bub. Pesto in there.
Give it all in.
Yeah, I need the rest for the pasta.
Yeah, for the pasta.
Now that's got
We'll
to,
suck it up.
that's got to cook not at 400 degrees, okay? Only about 180.
What do you reckon is that, Brett?
Alright.
220?
Put the lid on.
No.
No, put the lid on. Go.
No, just leave
It's
it.
bubbling. It's bubbling.
It's bubbling. Leave it there.
Pesto.
Yum. Smells so good.
Pesto. I might as well use the whole jar.
little bit of pesto in my life.
Put your light in there so Moj can video it.
That's awesome.
No, Moj is videoing it.
Thanks, Mom.
I knew you had it right. Put it all in.
Yeah, not yet, not yet.
Thanks for caring about my videos. More stuff is coming.
Baby, out of the way. Thank you. Sun-dried tomatoes.
Sun-dried.
oil in there.
Yum.
Yum.
That's a good food, Mom.
Good food.
You never cooked it.
And we put...
We have to cook it in camping.
We always eat good when we camp, most.
Yeah, I know. A little bit of paprika. Everything's good with paprika.
A little bit. Keep going, girlfriend. Yeah.
That's spicy shit.
Keep
You gotta
going,
make it
sweet.
a bit
No, it's,
darker.
it's smoky one. It's sweet paprika.
Do we need more heat?
I cook a lot with
No.
paprika.
The heat's good?
Gosh, that smells amazing.
Don't.
I want to eat that.
You going to?
You will.
Nah.
No, it's not yet.
What happened over there?
My God, that is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
That smells absolutely delicious.
It looks,
Simmering just nicely
it
too.
looks cooked.
Yeah, a little bit more, that's it.
Look at that. Yum. I think it's ready.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Mom, that looks ready. Should we add pasta now?
Yeah, it's just going to cook the pasta.
Do we need more water or that juice is enough?
Might need more.
Put it back there.
Action. Hang on. Keep the light on.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Needs more.
Yeah,
It's still raw.
that's all right.
Okay. Put the lid on that.
No, there's plenty of heat there, it's
Do you need
bubbling.
more stock, do you reckon?
I don't think so. You can.
Maybe, because pasta absorbs.
Yeah,
Tip it in.
like-
Tip it in. Nothing else right away. Tip it in.
This is empty.
We can put hot water
Put it
too.
on the fire.
There's another one over there.
No, I put the rest of the stuff in.
It's boiling.
It's boiling. I can bring more heat on the side, not underneath.
No, look,
No, that's
there's more
good. That's
stuff.
boiling.
Okay.
Not too much.
Yeah, no, because you don't want it
Yeah.
sloppy.
How much to
That's
stir
plenty.
it?
No, there's bubbling still, mate. Look.
No,
still
but hang
bubbling.
on. No, but you need stock to cook pasta.
I know, I understand.
That's perfect.
I'm talking about the heat.
Is it gonna be juicy at the end?
Yes.
Maybe at the end we add more stuff.
No, no, I'm
it's
telling you
only
now.
for
There's plenty of juice there. Put the lid on. I'll bring another shovel, 2 shovels. Just on the side, none at the bottom. Plenty of heat there.
Ready?
Like that, like, please. Yum.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
I know. That looks absolutely
I half
ridiculous.
expected Dad to put it on the table, the whole pot.
I would have, but somebody told me not to, so I thought, okay.
Yeah, then I would have had, you know what? A massive circle from up the table.
Yeah, it's making me laugh.
Look at that.
Oh, that's great.
I love juicy pasta.
That's why Mom made juicy pasta for you.
What is it called?
Juicy.
Juicy.
Anne?
Yeah. It shows this one as well.
All right.
Oh, you smell that? Oh my goodness.
So you're beautiful.
Mmm.
Anyone want salt?
Mmm.
Promising?
Baba. That's how we camp.
من و صوفیا داریم با هم غذا میخوریم. آره؟ یام. چی میخوری صوفیا؟ چی؟ این چیه؟ پاستا everywhere.